Sorry. Oh, gee. I'm sorry. Okay, for some reason.
Do you like it when people do that to you, bro?
No. Oh.
Sounds sick, man.
Oh, yes, a little bit.
You might want to check on that. You're not supposed to belch like that, man. You must have a lot of acid in your system.
Man, I guess so. That one kind of surprised me.
It's not good, man.
Whew, sorry about
Last time
that.
you heard a squirrel do that, man.
Never.
That's what I'm saying, man. You gotta check out these other animals, man. They're not burping like that, bro.
What the hell are you doing?
Say what?
What are you doing?
You.
Okay, just go away, man. I'm trying to work on some homework, man. Okay.
Are you guys okay?
Sorry. I'm just wondering what type of lunch that was. we haven't had lunch yet, so I'm kind of hungry. I didn't know if you have any extras or leftovers.
No, sorry.
Alright. Okay.
Jeez.
That's disgusting. Can you guys go do that somewhere else?
Where do you recommend we do it? Is there like a burping area?
Sorry.
You sorry? Oh, those look really good, by the way.
Oh, thanks. Did you like it?
No.
Okay.
See ya.
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Gotta control that.
Oh, yeah. That came out of nowhere.
Yeah. Partied too much last night or something?
I don't think so. Maybe one too many dog nuts.
Probably.
Are you serious? Oh, what? Really? You scared me.
What the hell? Why did you just do that right there?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh. You alright?
Yes.
Oh.
Man, get out here.
Say what? Sorry about that.
I said, get out here.
Okay. All right.
Thanks for watching, guys, and yes, this is a re-upload because we had to take somebody out that didn't want to be in the video. And leave a comment down below of the next prank you want to see us do, and maybe we'll do it. Yeah. We'll see you in a couple days.